Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about what is merge sort and how we can easily understand. So we can easily use merge sort. So merge sort is an algorithm which is used to sort the element. In previous videos we also saw some sorting algorithm. So I'm going to again extend the sorting algorithm process. So first of all we will get some random number, like a collection of random number. After that we have to split into the half of them. So after that you can see here I am having one sided 4 element, one sided 3 element. Again I'm going to split them into two halves. So we have to split them till until you will get one single number. So now I got all the random number into sequence by splitted form. So now I'm going to combine them. So after going to combine, I have to combine in the sense like smallest number will comes first. So now we are having 6 and 4. So now I'm going to pick them. So here 4 is the smallest than 6. Again 3 and 7. Now again we have to go into left side first of all. Okay, so here we can see here we are having element 4 6 3 7. Now which one is the smallest? 3. So 3 will go up, next 4, next 6, next 7. So left side is done. Now similarly you have to come for right side also. So 1 5, next 2. Now again we have to sort them according to the number, like 1 5 2 we are having number. So between them we have to arrange them. So first it will come 1, then 2, then 5. So you can see here now we got 3 4 6 7 one side. Now we got 1 to 5. So now we have to combine them again. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is a process. So first of all we have to split them, like half of them, like 1 1 1 1 split it. After that we have to combine them also, but according to the smallest number. So this is a way to understand the merge sort, and please subscribe my channel and watch more videos. Thanks.